is in an up position. After open the door, take out your containers, detach the grey hose, unclip, take that off. You've then got to go and clean this. Make sure this is as dry as possible. And then pop it back on. Making sure it is clipped back in. Then you've got to empty and clean this. Right. Once you put this back in, and this is on, attach your grey tube back on securely. Press number 5, which it will come up. Errors cleared, counter cleared. Then press number 4. Obviously it will come up empty waste. Lock it back up and it'll press any key to continue. Making sure there's a cup under. It will now say please wait, rinse and through it. Making sure your cup is empty. Open the machine back up. This is where you insert one of these glorious tablets. Pop it in there. Close the door back up. Make sure your cup is under. Press any key to continue. This will take another few minutes. After 10 minutes, that'll have finished. It does exactly a cupful of water. Then open it back up. This will have all filled up. So you have to empty and clean all that again, which I will do in a minute. Make sure all your things are attached. Fill and replace these. Make sure again that it is secure. Close, switch off, and you're done.